King Burger. Okay, Burger King.
Yes.
We have fish. We have 10 fish and we have 10 spicy chicken. And we have 20 spicy chicken and 10 not spicy chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
Spicy.
And then we
What's
only have
spicy?
2 choice of drink. One is Coke and the other is I think it's orange juice. Okay, 20 Coke and 20 orange juice. So
Orange
sorry,
juice.
if you want Coke, you better let us know fast. Okay? And I need some leaders to help out to distribute, okay? So if, let's say, if you don't like spicy chicken, then you try to exchange with someone. Can you do that?
Yes.
We can't see which is spicy chicken. And if you can answer me, then it's better. Okay, are you spicy chicken? It is. Okay, if not, so if you don't like it, then you can exchange with someone else. Okay?
Yes, Upside.
No complaint, huh?
Yes. Thank you, Upside.
So, who else? Because we are here also a bit jammed up because of the mist and so we love you and we really sincerely because the chairman was also so concerned just now also gave me a call asking about your safety. I said, well, you guys landed safely, so it's all that's good.
Yes.
I'm surprised, you know, that he's so busy yet he's so concerned that you guys are give him a big hand also, yeah?
Yes.
So any of your leader here want to say something? Come on.
Yes, come on.
Anyone to say something? Danny, you want to say something?
English. English.
Don't let that be good!
I will talk Tagalog. Actually, masayang-masaya ako dahil sa mga part of it dahil dati pangarap lang to na imagine nasa parang dreams lang siya na paano tayo magkakasama-sama ng marami sa ibang bansa. At
Nice.
totoo.
Yes.
So, umpisa pa lang po, tandaan nyo na sa ginagawa natin, pinusuhin na natin yung negosyo na to. Marami pa tayong bansa na pupuntahan.
Yes.
Gawin natin once, pero masusundan pa ito ng marami pa. Okay, so, maraming salamat, Abay and Alan Smith, for thank you so much, Abay. I love you very much.
Okay, for tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow your morning call will be 5 a.m.
Yes.
Oh, I like that. See how I'm going to touch you tomorrow. Because you see, as I said, time is limited. So you can sleep. You can tell me, Ablai, I don't want to join you tomorrow. I want to sleep until 12 o'clock. It's okay. Okay.
No way.
Because I also have to wake up at 5 o'clock. Okay. So we're going to leave at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning because we are going to the water park. The water park, and we're going to spend about 3.5 hours there. After that, 11 o'clock, we're going to have lunch, early lunch. Then immediately we have to rush back to office. Yeah? And by the time you arrive office, it might be around 1:30. Yeah?
Okay.
Around 1:30, most probably. 1:30 then, because winter time is it become dark very fast. Around 4:30 it become dark, okay?
Oh.
So we go back to office, then we try our best to cover all the place as possible. Then we have 6 o'clock, we're going to have dinner with the chairman.
Yes.
After that, then we see what is next because we're supposed to give you another tour to see the silk factory, but because I don't think so we can make it this time because it closed at 5 p.m. and we don't have the time, you know, because the silk factory happened to be in Suzhou. And today I thought that it will be early, we can go there first, but still we can't make it because it's already closed, okay? So tomorrow evening, then we see how maybe we might go karaoke. If not, then karaoke then. Yeah? If not, then on the 8th early morning also we have to leave early. So sorry, you can't sleep late, okay? Why? Because the event will start around 11 in Shanghai. after the event from 11 a.m., the registration, everything, then it might start around 12:30 or 1, okay? After that, you finish around 6 p.m. And then after 6 p.m., immediately, okay, don't waste time. Please, your group leader, make sure everyone follow you. That's why I say break into a small group, and I want everyone to stick to your leader. Don't go away. Once you get lost, sorry, I don't know how to get you back. So, and then you stay here, then you get a boyfriend and a girlfriend. So, tomorrow after the event, we immediately we take you to see the Shanghai Park. Okay, to see the river, the Yangtze Kiang. Very famous and very beautiful, the building, the tall building, you see the city of Shanghai. You know, and it's early, then maybe we go to another place where there are a lot of shopping also. Okay, then we call it for a night. Yeah, we already called it for a night, and then we will check in. I don't know which hotel now. Eric might have known. We will let you know tomorrow which hotel we're checking in Shanghai. Okay. Then on the night, maybe we have to move early also. Then we'll take you to another place for some sightseeing or whatever. Then after that, we go straight back to the airport here. Okay, that's why time is very limited. So I need your cooperation. When we say we leave at 6 a.m. means we have to leave at 6 a.m. because if you delay, that means you see less.
Yes, yes,
Can you do
yes.
that?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
If you're 5 minutes late, I'm going to penalty you 1,000 pesos. Is that okay? You say so, huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
All the witness here, huh?
Yes, sometimes.
I think I might collect a few 1,000 pesos here. Okay, so and here also I want to say something because we got our Iron Lady going to have a birthday, so I have to give her a birthday present. So
Yay.
present now, early present, okay. So Eric gave me the present, okay. But sorry, no time to wrap it up nicely. So. Happy birthday song to all of us.
Okay, okay.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
This is a Samsung Note 3.
Wow.
And already got a card and Eric last night already fully charged for you. So you can immediately use it.
Yay.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Mike, Mike.
Mike.
Well, I'm speechless. Anyway, okay, thank you so much. It's my first time to celebrate birthday here in China. Yeah, the best. And I have Burger King for all of you.
Yay!
You need to give me also gifts, okay? Tomorrow, if you are late, I will collect 1,000 pesos.
Okay.
For my pocket of life. Alright, so thank you so much, Apply.
Yay!
Okay, so now trip time. Okay, Eric and Jason will have to distribute the food and the drink. Okay, so you also at the same time you eat and then you rest for a while because after that you need a lot of energy to walk.
Yeah, okay.
So the God is so kind also in one way because the weather is not very cold. Okay,
Yes.
so it's around now it's around 11. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's not that cold. I thought it's freezing and it's basically snowing, but luckily no. Daytime is around 15 or 16, you know. So
Ah.
nighttime it might drop down to about 8 or 10 or 11. So it's still very comfortable.
Okay.
But one thing bear in mind, you don't drink a lot now, but whenever it's possible, drink a lot of water. That is very important. And when at night time, if possible, get a glass or 2 glasses of water and leave it there because the weather might be dry. Okay, it's cold and dry.
Ah.
You will actually keep the water in your system, so your skin will be very dry.
Ah,
So
okay.
if you have bring this cream, moisturizer, whatever, please apply every time you cook morning, early morning after your shower, please apply. Then you feel more comfortable. Is it okay?
Yes,
Okay,
apply.
thank you.
Video offline.
Guys, actually, hindi ko alam bakit masyadong mapag dito, pero sobrang init, may lumalabas na usok sa bibig ko.
Ikaw, Hani, ano masasabi mo? Yan na.
Ngayon sa, sa China, hindi ka pa nagyoyosi, pero usok talaga yung So, pero pinakamatindi nito, sobrang mag-enjoy kayo dito. Sobrang dami kasama, sobrang saya. Yun ang feeling na hindi mo kayang ipaliwanag.
Yes.
Tama eh.
Yan o, ang dami namin kasama. Kasama. Grabe, yung pag. Ay! Hindi namin makita. Chairman, video.
Video ba?
Video.
Good morning, Parnatet. Alam mo, dito, buti na lang, fire tayo kasi ulap na to, sobrang lamig. Pero Parnatet, what? It burns!
Yes. Dito. Wala talaga kami, May.
Okay, one more for
Wala kami talagang makita. As in. Sino may unahan, no?